Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my dashboard layout, which is my social media planner. It is the Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner. As always, I am going to be making my left page by myself from something I have created as my checklist. It's just much easier for me to function that way. So I'm gonna punch it and then glue it into my planner. And as I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time joining me, welcome so much to my channel. I hope you really like it here. And if you are coming back to spend time with me, welcome back. I am so happy you're choosing to spend time with me yet again. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use just permanent adhesive and adhere that page to the dashboard layout in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the page out and trim it, and we shall go from there. So very quickly, like so, just like every week. And there we go. I'll take the page out and we can start working on our spread. So I have pulled quite a few flower sticker books because I still filming this was not decided what to do. Sometimes it's very hard for me to make up my mind what to do, and it happens, but then I remembered that I have the color story, and truly I haven't used the color story in a while, so I pulled out I think this is color story 4 or 5, and I have used it before, especially this layout in the back. I'm just going through this and trying to figure out what I want to use. I really like that greenery, but it's not time for it yet. But I really did like this navy and pink combo, which they have in here, and I've used before, so I'm going to use what's left over and create the spread. Again, this is for my social media. I sometimes don't really fancy it up because I am using it as an extremely functional planner. This is where it tells me where to go, what to film, what to post, and etc. And if I fall behind, this planner is a mess. So it happens. Especially lately I've been so busy, but I am trying to keep on top of it. Like I said before, I still have my full-time job that I do on top of all of these videos, so it is very time consuming. If you've never filmed and edited a video for YouTube, try it. The amount of steps it takes, it gives you a different appreciation for making videos. Okay, look at this paper swan. It is so beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna add this washi strip. It is made with clear sticker. It is, I really love this color combo between blues, pinks, and navy and black. So I am really enjoying. I'm gonna add a pink heart in there. Do you guys use your color stories? It's really a fun kind of collaboration of stickers that they give you, and you get to try so many different styles and ways of planning with those. So if you haven't tried yet to use a color story, I highly encourage you, because those, like I said, are very easy to plan with. They have like a theme usually that's going on, and everything is cohesive and same color, and it only gives you about 5 or 6 pages, so you're not overwhelmed with what to use. And even with those 5 or 6 pages, as you can see, I've already created a spread with these stickers, and I'm creating a second one with what's left over, and it's actually turning out quite okay. It's not like breathtaking, but it's actually very cute and functional and pretty, and I especially like these really pretty, they almost look like origamis, right? And if you guys know me, you probably already guessed I really love outline stickers for some reason, and nude stickers, they really appeal to me, so I thought it would be fun to do this. So we have Shine Bright, Work Hard, there we go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove this really quickly because I'd rather put a navy in here. Yeah, I think that gives it a nicer vibe for some reason. Not sure why, but it does. So I was thinking of adding boxes into here for my videos, but I think today or this week I'm just gonna go ahead and write on my actual planner pages. I know, shocking, right? I'm the queen of boxes. I'm still waiting for my Happy Planner spring release to come. I am super excited to film that video. I have a ton of stuff to show you guys, so it's extremely exciting. And let me know if there's anything in particular you guys want to see. Anyhow, this spread is almost done, and I am so grateful for you spending all this time with me, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead with lots of fun and good weather, because in Chicago the good weather is starting to turn into warm nice weather. Hopefully it doesn't go back, but it's Chicago, so it probably will. Let me pop this back in my planner, and I wish you guys a good week, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me.